Second chance when may kadwa agundaway. Dahito ti sentro ti mensahe ti gobyerno probinsyal, kabayatan ti umuna a flag raising ceremony, nagiti empleyado ti PGA, kaya na dumaduma ang national agencies itaataw en 2026. Ibilang da amay sa apakasaritaan ti 2025, ken ti baro atawen ti agserbi a marka ti baro anamnama.
The new year ushers new opportunities. It ushers new beginnings. This year again offers a second chances for everybody. This year it seeks a renewed motivation for us. We have to fine-tune our dedication in serving our fellow Abreños.
Iti benneg ti salunat, may basar iti datos ti Provincial Health Office. 7 ti recorded a fireworks-related injuries manipod December 21 agingga January 4. Kaadwan kadakwada ket gapu ti kwitis ken buga. 70 ket 8 ti recorded a crash injuries iti probinsya. 2 kadagito iti pimusay. Nagpalagip da pa iti panangsalwad ti salunat kontra kadagiti non-communicable disease nang runa itakalkalpas ti holiday season ken iti panagbaliw ti panyempo. Patyen ti DOH Abra at inaanay a disiplina ket mangsalbar ti biag.
To my fellow government workers, I challenge all of you, all of us, to be role models of health and safety. We remain committed to strong surveillance, timely reporting, and responsive action. It will always depend on the collective action and shared accountability.
Inpeteng met ti Red Cross Abra chapter ngagtalineed kag tultuloy a serbisyo publiko da agingga kadagiti remote communities. Jessica Boreta, Balitang, Solid North.